let's talk about how to add a rated vendor in BluHorn. Rated vendors are linked to ratings from Nielsen or Comscore. These vendor types are available to our advanced, pro, and enterprise customers who have a separate active subscription directly to Nielsen or Comscore. As a reminder, you can use ratings information from outside sources with our unrated vendor types. Please see our video on how to set up unrated vendors in our video section. Adding a vendor is done in 2 steps. Step 1. From your agency dashboard, navigate to the Vendors drop-down menu on the left-hand side. Click Add New Vendor. Select the type of vendor from the drop-down by choosing one of the rated vendor types. Then, all you need to do is enter a name for the vendor. The rest of the information can be populated now, later, or left blank. It's up to you. Please know that BluHorn separates orders by vendor name, not station name. So, be sure to name your vendor accordingly. If you have a conglomerate, we suggest setting up each station as a vendor so that you can send them orders separately. When you're ready, click Add Vendor, and the vendor has been added. Step 2. Scroll down to add a market and rep. You must add at least one market and rep here for your vendor. When entering a market name, know that this is your BluHorn market name and it's customizable. Consistency counts when naming the market. Keeping your market names consistent in BluHorn will help to maximize their usability for your agency in the system, as you will be able to use that same market with other vendors and multiple media types in our system. Enter your representative's name and email address. The email address is important because you cannot send an order through our system to the rep without entering that information here. Then, depending on subscription, you'll see Comscore or Nielsen selection or both. When you're setting up the vendor, you'll need to select from the markets you have available in your subscription. Here, we'll select the Nielsen market for example purposes. What's most important is selecting the station that you want to attach your vendor to within the rating service. Since I chose Nielsen in this case, I see NS stations populate below, and when I click within the field, a list of all the stations available in the selection I've chosen will appear. Here, you need to select the Nielsen station that you would like to pull ratings for with the vendor that you have set up. There may be more than one with different extension numbers. You can select more than one by going back in and selecting individually, or you can select Add All and X out the ones that you don't want. If you have questions about what stations to select, you can reach out to your Nielsen or Comscore representative directly. Once you've selected the station, click Add Market Rep and the information will be added. You'll see a success message and be able to scroll down and see that you've added the market, rep, email, and stations correctly. Now you can add these vendors to any rated worksheet types that you're creating. Once again, make sure you add or use the market names consistently throughout your BluHorn account. You can attach multiple markets to any vendor and multiple reps to any market. Once your vendors and clients have been added in BluHorn, you can start adding them to campaigns and worksheets and start sending orders from within the BluHorn platform. At any time, you can click Show All Vendors from the vendor drop-down menu to see the vendor and go back to edit or enter additional information. Be sure to click the Save button to make sure your edits have been saved. Anytime you need a refresher on how to add a vendor, simply click the question mark bubble icon next to Vendors in the left-hand menu as a way to quickly link back to a video tutorial on our YouTube channel. In need of some help? Click the Life Raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. For additional information on worksheets, check out our video guides available at bluhorn.com/videos. Thank you, and see you in BluHorn.